I actually came across her because I was in Florida for 3 months looking for some quality art classes. And I just couldn't find anything that I felt was going to meet my needs to really take me to the next level. I was on a mission to find this woman, and it was just a fluke. I thought, I have nothing to lose. Yeah. And it completely changed really my life after that. And she has really, really changed my passion for art. Just the knowledge she embarks on her students is invaluable. I just couldn't fall in love with anything. Mm-hmm. And once I took this essential elements class, made all the difference in the world. And she has a gift for connecting with people immediately on a personal level. And she puts everyone at ease. It doesn't matter if you're a skilled, trained artist or if you are a beginner. And so I take a lot of photos now, and she has taught us how to edit photos so you know whether or not it's going to make a great painting. And that's something that no one has ever been able to do for me.